Dear students, I welcome you all to the subject research. So, as you know very well, business research methods is a subject wherein we have to understand the research, its meaning, and the importance, objectives, what is business research. Then we have to understand the types of research also. Then we have to go deeper part of the subject, that is how to conduct one research. What are the methods? What are the steps for it? So let us start with the understanding of research. Here we have to understand the subject. We have to go to the deeper part of it. So what is research? First, the question arises. The term is composed of two words here. Research. Re one word, search is another word. As you know, the meaning of search means to find out. Re means repeatedly conducting the activity. That means you have to find out and you have to repeat the action of finding out. That is to search again. Research is conducted to search for new facts or to modify the existing facts. If you think over it once again, some new aspects will be found out, some new angles will be found out, and you will enrich the existing knowledge. That is the result of research. The obvious function of research is to add new knowledge to the existing store as well as to remove the misconceptions and ignorance of mankind. As you know very well, since many years, mankind is progressing. It is inventing new knowledge day by day. Every now and then, we are finding new facts. We are adding the new facts to the existing knowledge. And there are also misconceptions. And the beliefs are being changed. Earlier, we used to believe that our earth itself is the central part of the universe. Then we came to know about the sun and his power, how he is the king of the solar system. Then we came about the many existence of many suns, many stars also. And we came about the earth, how it is developed. So misconceptions, earlier beliefs will be vanished and ignorance of the mankind will be removed because of the research. As you know very well, mankind believe that we are moving towards the truth. We are moving towards the light. So it is a continuous journey. There is no end for it. And we can't say that this is the last truth or this is the full stop for the truth. So it's getting changed every now and then. And it is the result, it is the pursuit of truth with the help of study, observation, comparison, and experiment. It is a careful and exhaustive investigation of a phenomenon with an objective of advancing knowledge. Research plays two major roles. That is, one thing is it contributes to the general fund of existing knowledge, and another one is it helps to solve many complex problems faced by the business or society. Here, now let us understand some more aspects about the research, the characteristics, for example, what it is, how it is. Okay. First, let us go with the definition. Research is a careful, patient, systematic, diligent inquiry or examination in some field of knowledge undertaken to establish facts or principles. This is the definition given by Webster's 20th century dictionary. Let us go for one more definition, which is given by John W. Best. What he says, research is the systematic and objective analysis and recording of controlled observations that may lead to development of generalization, principles of theories, resulting in prediction and perhaps ultimate control of events. So, this is the definition given by John West. Now, let us understand the characteristics, features, how it is the research. Research attempts to explore new knowledge, as we have already discussed here. The very task of research is to explore the new knowledge. Research is an expert, accurate, and systematic investigation. No doubt it is an investigation. Here we are making several types of investigations, but with all the expertization, with all the accuracy, and it's very systematic investigation. Research is an objective inquiry. It means there is some objectives behind it. There is some aims behind this inquiry. Research is based on factual observations that can be quantified. That can be quantified means you can express it in numbers, you can express it in quantities. So, always research is based on facts and figures. It's not something imaginarily undertaken activity. There is nothing like imagination. Everything is to be in black and white, and everything should be in a written form, and it can be quantified. You can express it in many quantities. Research records the data and observations. Research emphasizes the development of generalizations. Research meticulously observes the methodology. That's very important for the research, which method you have conducted and followed. So that is the research involves techniques of controlling the variable to study cause and effect relationship. Here we are interested in knowing the causes of the variables, why it acts so, what is the cause for it. And at the same time, we are interested in knowing the effect of the observation also. Cause and effect, the reasons for the variable and the effect, what happens if it does like this. Research emphasizes development of research is a patient and unhurried activity. There should not be any kind of hurry. It's a patient, it's a silent activity. That means you have to dedicate the time for it. You should wait for the results. There should not be any hurry activity. Research requires courage. And why do we undertake research? What is the reason for it? That is called as objectives. Objectives for the research. To verify and test the existing theories and facts. There are already existing theories, but we should understand whether it is true or not. So we want to test it. To develop new theories. Already there are some theories, no doubt about it, but we have to develop new theories, generalizations, principles, and concepts which will enable us predict future events and guide the course of action and decision making. To gain the deep insight into the different phenomena affecting human. To study the cause and effect relation pertaining to the phenomena under study. As I have already mentioned, for many phenomena, there will be causes. At the same time, there will be effect also. And research is interested in knowing the relationship between the causes and the effect. Why it has happened like this? What is the effect of it? And what will be the future reaction of it? Like this, then we will research is interested in knowing the relationship between cause and effect. To bring to limelight the most accurate information that could have never been brought to the knowledge under normal course. To portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, group, or a situation. That is, why the particular individual or the group or a situation behaves like this. What is the characteristics of it? So we have to understand that. To analyze the interrelationship between different variables relating to the subject under study. To test the hypothesis of a causal relationship between variables. To determine the interval or frequency of occurrence of some events. To study individual behavior and social action. So, to understand the undercurrents of in the functioning of society or individuals. See, we as an individual, we behave in the society, and sometimes if we are in group, if we are in a mob, if we are in a that is um, group, then in that gathering, our behavior will be changed. So there will be undercurrents. That means there will be hidden facts. There will be some phenomena which comes into existence, which comes to the light only in few events. Otherwise, there will be um, a mask for it. That is revealed with the help of research. To diagnose, evaluate, and understand the various problems and the implication in the working of business houses so that proper decisions are made and remedial actions are taken to improve their performance. To evaluate social problems, their effects on the society, and to find out possible solutions. To improve operating efficiency, particularly profitability and functioning of different organization in the society. To optimize human and social welfare by solving the complex problems faced by different segments of the society. To contribute to the general funds of the knowledge. These are the objectives why we undertake the research. So with these points, now we have understood meaning and definitions of the research, characteristics of the research, and also objectives of the research. But my dear students, in the second part of the video, I'm going to discuss about the importance of research. And many types of research are there, how we have classified the research. That is also very interesting. And on the basis of purpose, on the basis of implications, we have been classified the research that has to be studied. Let us understand some more important aspects in my second video. I wish you a very good and fruitful learning of the subject. Thank you.